to show you guys how to make McDonald's signature fries from scratch. First, you guys are gonna wash and cut about 4 potatoes. Make sure potatoes are a bit longer. Try to cut them pretty thin to mimic the fry. Then put your fries in ice water for about 5 minutes. Now we're gonna take them out and let them dry on this towel for about 5 more minutes. Now to add the McDonald's flavor, you're gonna add 12 cups of water to a pot. Add half a cup of sugar and half a cup of corn syrup. Just make sure it reaches a boil. You're gonna remove it and then put your fries in here for about 10 minutes. Take them out, let them dry again. So then after they dry, put them in your freezer for 20 minutes. Now to fry them, you're gonna fill a pot with oil. The first round frying, you're gonna fry for 2 minutes, then take them out. So then just take them out and let them rest for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, just put them back in and fry them again. Then just sprinkle some salt and you are all done. Those are your McDonald's fries. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the one and only McDonald's chicken nuggets from scratch. First, put 3 chopped up chicken breasts in a food processor. Add half a teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. Then just take your chicken and shape them into little nuggets. Just like that. For the breading, in the first bowl, you're gonna add 1 cup of corn flour. In the second bowl, add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of corn flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then just dip your nuggets in the first bowl and in the second bowl. Then place them in the freezer for about an hour. Then just fill a pot with some oil. Then drop them in and fry till crispy. And there you are. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make McDonald's apple pies from scratch. First, you're going to peel and chop up 2 apples, just like that. Then in a pot over medium heat, you're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add in your apples. Add in 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and half teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cook until the apples get soft and most of the juice goes away. Then you're going to need 8 pieces of puff pastry sheets. Scoop some of the apple in the middle. You're going to cover it with another puff pastry sheet. Then just crimp the edges. Then use a sharp knife and put in 4 slits. Then brush them with some egg wash. Then just sprinkle them with a little bit of sugar and a little bit of cinnamon. Then you're going to bake them in a 400-degree oven. And there they are.